got 2 bags full of Dollar Tree stuff. Made myself some coffee. I feel like it's been a while because this stuff just makes me break out. I'm sure I could use like almond or silk or whatever, but I don't want to do that, if I'm being honest. So anyways, definitely a coffee morning. I feel like my voice is like very scratchy today as well. But it's been a while since I've like done a sit down haul, just because I've been like traveling to Texas, and it's just, yeah, I've just been doing like car hauls or like the shop with me's in the Texas stores. Now I'm back in Florida, and you know, the Florida stores don't disappoint. I have to say, surprisingly, I live in what is a smaller town in the general metroplex, and the Dollar Tree stores here are really, really good. So eventually, when I do make my way back home, I have to admit I'm gonna miss the stores here. So anyways, let me show you guys what I picked up. You're gonna see repeats, but you're gonna see brand new things too. This is just like, I just love this store. Okay, so the first thing that I'm so shook by is this product right here. It's a big name brand, it's Barbie. This is a fashion designer activity set. And just to show you the back, because I don't wanna open it and get into this because I wanna send this to my niece, but it's kind of like paper dolls, or like that's what I think when I see this, because if you look closely, you can see like the little tabs that you essentially wrap around the doll. I mean, that's exactly what this is. They're just not calling it, oh, paper doll. So I'm right at the freaking bottom. All right, paper dolls are back. So comment down below, let me know if you play with paper dolls like back in the 80s or 90s or like whatever. I did. And I cannot believe this is at Dollar Tree. This is a run and get this item now. And they also had this in like the LOL dolls, but I was only interested in Barbie. So that's what I got. No one is surprised to see this in today's haul. These are little party favor boxes. So if you are gonna have a party, or like you have a media room in your house, you could do like a really cute movie night and fill these up with like popcorn and, you know, personalized toppings. But I do use mine for junk journaling. I keep them flat like this, and I basically use them as a like little pocket or like a little folder. So I don't actually pop them open, okay, because they pop open. This is what they look like. Again, I keep them flat and then just kind of like, yeah, use them that way. Okay, then I picked up another one of these. I've already hauled this not too long ago, but I'm really into this little like rainbow, and the smiley face I think is really cute. I want to like use this in my sunshine kit. So if you haven't watched my latest junk journal live with me, I'll link it down below. I showed you guys a very easy deconstructed way to do a junk journal, and I definitely want to like incorporate these into my sunshine one that I'm doing. So there's that. I found another one of these again in a recent haul, but I decided to get a second one. I love the tissue paper with the lemons and then the solid green. This is such a chic tissue paper set. Like, we need more of these from Dollar Tree, honestly. Now, if you saw my last video where I showed you guys like how I basically go shopping, I'm usually obviously quiet and put stuff in my cart. Like, there's no science to that. But I wanted to take you guys along and just kind of like, you know, set up the hauls for the week. Probably saw this product, and it is a bubble fan with tray. Now, I have to put you guys on this because I've seen this hack where bubbles keep mosquitoes and flies away. So this is like a perfect product to like take it to the beach with you, or you're out on your patio or at the lake, or like wherever. You can just like keep the bubbles going and they will stay away from you. So how amazing is that? And then they give you the little tray. So keep this clear little tray in here, and then you just dip this part of the gun into the tray with the bubble mixture. There you go. Okay, next up, I got more of these party favor bags. This one is new. However, I've not hauled this one for you guys yet, and I just love how pretty and vibrant it is. Then we have the little circles, and then the stars, which are just, you know me, like I love stars. So those are really cute. Then I found more of these patches. I've already hauled these, but I found some more, so I decided to just add them to my collection. Like, look how cute these patches are. I'm also going to incorporate these into my junk journal. So love those. I also picked up one of these like old-fashioned old cameras, light bulb kind of thing. The telephone, which is really cute. Oh, there's a sewing machine. Yeah, love this little set. Okay, next up, I picked up more of these authentic casino cards. I've recently been hauling a lot of these lately, and these have been around at Dollar Tree for as long as I can remember, but only now am I finding an interest in them. Sometimes that just happens. Like, is that a thing for you guys? Is there, comment a product where you usually pass by it all the time, but now you're obsessed with it? This is that for me. Now this one is green. So they show you a little window, if my camera would focus. So they show you a little window on what the card looks like. These are green and from the stratosphere. They're actual real cards from casinos. They cut them so that you basically cannot use them again. You'll see like when you open them, they have like a little slice on the edge. So I think that's really cool. I need another sip of coffee. I'm also not gonna edit, so cheers to that. Then I picked up these like body butters and they are so pretty. Why does packaging get me every single freaking time? I'm honestly starting to get annoyed at myself with that because I don't know if the product is actually any good. This is a peony scented body butter. So, am I saying that right? Peony? Peony? I want to say peony, but peony? Oh. Lang Lang scented. I don't know what that is, but there's that. I want to open it. Should be sealed. Yeah. Okay. So those will look really pretty in a gift basket. This is a lime verbena scented. Now this one, I am very interested in this one. This one's probably gonna be like my favorite if I had to guess. And then lavender scented. I typically cannot do floral scents with the exception of lavender. And even then I have to do lavender at a very minimal level. I don't know why, but my senses just don't like floral scents. I'm more fruity, which is why the lime is grabbing my attention. Okay, then Jot decided to very sneakily put out some new stickers and I'm in love with them. Anything alien and planets I think is absolutely adorable. You can pause on the screen if you just like want to take a longer look if you need to, but this little set is absolutely adorable. Here's another Jot one. Now this one's packaged very interesting. Like the paper looks, I don't even know how to describe this, but look how adorable this little snack set is. Oh, you can really hear my voice like just wanting to be done, like just be done. Okay, then these two, you can tell, just like look very similar. Even this one, I guess. Yeah, I think these four, you can clearly tell were kind of just like designed with the same illustration in mind. So we have the little unicorns. This crescent moon is absolutely adorable. Is that a little party hat? Look at this bow. That is so cute. The rainbow. Okay, there's a lot of really good little images in that one. Then we have this one, a little ice cream shop kind of theme. Absolutely adorable. Which one's my favorite? This one right here with the little kiwi garnish. That is really cute. And then this one, which this one looks like they how do I describe it? Because see this tree right here? They've done this tree before, but in a different sticker pack. I mean, I think they just like recycled these images into a new sticker format, which I'm completely fine with because I'm obsessed with this little bee. I mean, the sun is absolutely adorable. This one's my favorite out of the entire bunch next to that one. All right, so there's that. Then I picked up these. You probably would have seen it in the video, although I personally don't have a use for these, which goes into one of my most asked questions, which is what do I do with all this stuff? I love hauling things that I find interest in, that I want you guys to know about, but not everything has a purpose in my life in this moment, if that makes sense. So stuff like this gets donated. Stickers and everything else you've seen, I'll be keeping. So these are brand new to Dollar Tree. They're in the baby section. It is a fruit feeder. Found it in pink and blue. Guessing you put, and it has like the pacifier, if you can kind of see that. I think you just fill it up with however, I don't really know. It says only allow the tiniest of food pieces to go through to prevent choking. So know that straight out the gate, but this is very interesting. So I want to let my mamas out there know that that's at Dollar Tree. Okay, then I'm just gonna go through, like, the amount of stickers that I buy from this store is positively unreal. It's unreal, but like, here we are. So I'm just gonna rotate through them. The lighting's off a little bit, so I apologize about that, but this is a green, kind of has like a mirrored look to it, which is really pretty. The font I really like. So cute. Another one of these baby boys. I have the baby girl one as well. I have two of these baby boys now. Here's a blue version of that. I love the stack of books and the clocks. I found another one of these little teacup ones. The first time I hauled this, I was so shook. This is the cutest little sticker set I've ever seen. We got pearls. These are stickers, by the way. This little Tiffany blue color. The birthday cake. This one, this little travel one, I just, every time I see it, I keep grabbing it for some reason. I think it's just the color palette, and then it's just the whole thing. I love the whole thing. Look how cute this one is. I got two of them. Turtle is absolutely darling. Another one of those. Okay, then I picked up another one of these composition notebooks. They're not the Dollar Tree brand, so they just kind of like pop in. That's the thing about Dollar Tree. If you're new and this is like your first time you're ever watching a Dollar Tree haul or whatever it may be, you have to understand how to shop at the store. It's key, because knowing labels, it helps to know how quickly you may need to get to Dollar Tree if you see something you like from a hauler, from any hauler that you watch. If you see them show items, I think it's very important to know the brand, whether it's Dollar Tree or not. If it's not like this, it will fly off the shelves. You may never see a restock again. So keep that in mind. Then I found these really cute little like makeup bags. They have such a cheeky little food theme with like the play on words. Little taco one. So like if you're doing a party and it has like this kind of vibe, you could fill it up with little party favors and candies for the guests. Just a thought. Then I picked up these Landmark Confections chocolate covered raisins. I love chocolate covered raisins. I don't know if I'm gonna like these, but I'm gonna try it and let you know. I'll try it. Rate it 1 through 10, because I'm Keithley, okay? Okay. Chocolates taste luxe, like top tier chocolate. .5 out of 10. That's good. Get that. For sure get that. Okay, next up I found more of these raffle tickets. Boy, are they hard to find for me. So hard. And I found another couple of packs. I love junk journaling with those, by the way. Then I just picked up a bunch of these seed packs. I basically got pumpkin and radish. I got a bunch of them. One of my next kits that I think is coming in July is going to be a farmer's market theme. So stay tuned for that. And if you're wondering about my current kits, I have a circus kit, I have a sunshine kit, strawberry kit, and a mermaid kit available in my Etsy shop, FYI. Okay, Then we're gonna end this on some new LA Colors makeup. Now I'm not gonna actually swatch these, so I'm sorry about that, but I found these lip liners and I cannot wait to try them. Look at these colors, like, are you freaking kidding me? I am so excited. This one is called Kindness. And then this one is Laughter. And then this one is Melody. I'm very excited for Melody. It kind of has like a pinky peach nude brown thing. And then I found some lipsticks. And can I just say that this LA Colors, like, the way they did these lipsticks, I just really like it. I guess in a way it's kind of reminding me a little bit of Kim Kardashian's makeup line, whatever it's called. It just has that very nude, very simple, clean look to it. So this one's called Bear With Me. This color right here is taking me all the way back to the 90s. I've actually been wanting, now I am gonna swatch the lipstick for you. I'm just not gonna swatch the, I mean, I should have, whatever. I just don't wanna like edit and open up all these packages and make you wait. But this brown color just like reminds me of the 90s. Yeah, I can't wait. It has a very plasticky, toy almost quality to this. I will say that. So do what you will with that information. Okay, this color is called Oh Teddy, which, let's see. I mean, like, look at that pigmentation. It's spot on. This color is stunning. It's kind of reminding me of something MAC. I don't really know. This color's Pinky Swear and has a pinky nude. This one I'm the most excited about. So, what? All three of these colors are amazing. So, super excited about that. But anyways, that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. It helps me to grow. And that's it for today. I will see you guys next time. I actually have 2 other hauls. I've separated everything. They're massive. They're bigger than this. They're so crazy. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.